Hi, welcome to PDF Tips. Here's how to remove a watermark from a PDF. So I have a PDF here with a watermark across each page, so insensitive. Now if I open it in Adobe Acrobat Pro, go to Find Tools, type in Watermark. Then on the drop down box here, click Remove. Click Yes, and that will remove from all the pages. Now, if it's been created in a different way, you can also do it as well. Click on Find Tools, Edit PDF. Now it puts a box around each section of the PDF. So in this case, I can actually highlight the word by just left mouse and dragging up, and I can press backspace key, and you can go down each page and do the same. And it's that easy to remove a watermark. Give it a try.